Yo, what's poppin' everybody? Is your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. So guys, marami sa inyo nag-suggest sa akin na mag-react ako sa G22 together with SB19 Limitless during the Acer Day. And parang may nabasa ako sa comments na si Pablo daw yung nagsulat ng Limitless for G22. So that's very interesting. So today, i-react po natin yung G22 with SB19 Limitless performance sa Acer Day nitong taon na to. Okay, just recently. So if you're new here, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So, let's go. Oy, may pa-drone. MOA ba to? Oh, Mall of Asia nga, arena. Wow. Guys, ano ba tong Acer Day na to? Ang ini-invite ba nila is exclusively mga P-pop groups lang or meron ding hindi P-pop? Limitless.
We made our own destiny. Take flight so we out of sight and way. Release all this energy. This energy. Tell me what's impossible. That will make it all possible. Representation like this is fictional.
Angas talaga nito. Ano nga ulit yung pangalan ni Alfea ba? Nakalimutan ko Or yung Alto yun, si Alfea. Basta ito ang angas talaga nito, man. Ito yung Alto. Ito yung lead singer nila, diba? Excited ako sa SB19. Oh. Okay guys, actually this is the first time na nakita ko yung G22 na sumayaw. If my memory serves me right. Ooh, I love the flow of this song. Napakaangas. Oh, I told you, di ba? Nung nag-react ko sa Wish, nakikita ko si Josh, naririnig ko sila. Kaya pala, kasi si Pablo yung gumawa ng song na to. No? So, very, siguro, influence and inspired ito sa kanyang kagrupo din, no? Woo! Hey! O, di ba tama ako? If nakita nyo lang yung reaction ko sa G22 sa Wish, no? Sa Limitless, sabi ko, yung part ng alto, parang naririnig ko si Justin. O, di ba tama? Oh, ayan. I knew it, man. Sabi ko din, parang si Stel yung lead vocal sila, di ba? The same energy, yung vibe nila as a group, kahit tatlo lang yung G22. Talagang yung obviously there's a lot going on, influence talaga, na naririnig ko from other groups. Eto na, duet na. Grabe si Stel.
No limit to what I can do. Circuits in line with my soul. open up the door. There's no containing this wisdom of revelation. We'll surpass our dimensions.
Ulitin nga natin yung last part. Grabe. Love it, man. Angas. Hey. Hey. Galing ah. Nice. Nice. Ang galing. Nice one, nice one. That was entertaining. So, parang gusto ko pang makita more collaboration by SB19 and G22, no? Kasi they have the same, you know, the same parang wavelength ba tawag dyan? Sa energy, sa vibe nila, sa kung paano sila mag-perform, you know, they really have that same kind of, you know, energy na talagang ramdam na ramdam mo eh, no? So yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed that one. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? Mag-subscribe po kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, and do follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram, okay? So that's it. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.